about collections, I don't have very many home themed collections. The ones that I do have revolve around moving and upgrading your house. So the two collections that I have are Photo Play DIY Home Edition and then Reminisce the Home Edition. So very similar. This is a lighter teal than this one. This one focuses more on the yellow, but I think these will work really well together. Now the reason we're talking about home collections is because this is the 13th of the month and it's themes on the 13th. And this month we're focusing on our home collections. Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm with Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. You're going to find a lot of process videos on my channel, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So I'm looking at this piece of paper from the home edition and I absolutely love it. I really think this is cute. The bubble wrap, just super fun. Maybe I'll do a page of my son playing with bubble wrap or something like that. But today we are focusing in on this side of the paper. Now, Nikki, you haven't moved in a while. You're right, I haven't moved in a while, but I do have new neighbors. Well, ish. They come back every year. And that's this little cute bird right here. I don't know if it's the same bird every year or if it's the baby of the last year, you know, and they just get bigger and bigger. But every year you can see they add to the nest there. The sketch that we're using today is from 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, day 13. And this sketch is created by Shannon Allor, A-L-L-O-R. So if that's something you'd be interested in, she's crafty on YouTube. Definitely go check out her stuff. She's a great content creator. So when I'm looking at this sketch, I notice a whole bunch of different bands down here and a set of bands up here. So that's what I'm going to focus on today. So part of the DIY Home Edition is these border stickers. And so I cut them apart so that I've got a whole bunch of different options here. And I'm thinking these can kind of overlap back and forth on this strip that's already overlapping back and forth. So I'm just going to continue that trend. I want to make sure that at least one of the fragiles is shown. Now note, these are 12 inches wide, and so what I'm going to end up having to do is frame this layout or just cut it down a smidge. You know how it goes. So then this is going to be my final one that says Miss Fix-It Queen, because, you know, it's the woman in the family who gets things done in this case, right? She's the one who builds the nests, all that fun stuff. So my photo is horizontal instead of the two vertical, and it's going to land like right there. And I did yellow because I thought this would be cute as the title. The title typically, at least in the sketch, would go right here. That's not the case in my situation. So I'm going to add a couple more of these. Now I'll cut it off here, and then I'll cut this off too later, so you'll definitely be able to see close-ups at the end on what I decide and how big I want these to be. You know how it goes. When you make a layout multiple times, it never lands in the same spot twice. So that is going to be my cluster in the upper left-hand corner. Now if we look at this sketch, she has these hearts going kind of up behind the photo and overlapping stuff. And so I have some paint cans. And so I thought it'd be cute to have the paint cans and rollers go up the page right here and then maybe sprinkle a couple over here. I don't want to put these down first because these are pretty sticky even though they're pretty old. I don't want to ruin my paper and have to move things around. So you'll see in the close-ups where those land, but I will say the element stickers on both of these collections, absolutely fabulous. I really like all of the items on both of these sticker sheets. However, in this case, I just want to use some paint cans, get the old stuff out of my stash. So that is my video for Themes on the 13th using a DIY home edition and the home edition from Reminisce and Photoplay. I'll link those down below so you can click on them and purchase them if you would like to. If you use my link, it is affiliate, so I get a little bit of a kickback. So I appreciate anything you can do to help support me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.